Movement without direction is disguised stagnation. You can be busy every day and still go nowhere. The real danger is that busyness feels productive, so you don't question it until months pass and nothing meaningful has changed. This isn't about slowing down. It's about making sure your effort is actually moving something. Busyness is socially rewarded. Full calendar, constant motion, always responding. It looks responsible. But in the inner ledger, movement is not the same as momentum. Momentum requires direction. Busyness often replaces direction with activity. You answer emails, complete tasks, attend meetings, handle small urgencies, and at the end of the day you feel exhausted. But when you step back, you ask what actually moved forward. Busyness consumes energy, progress reallocates energy. The difference is intention. Busyness reacts, progress selects. Busyness says yes automatically. Progress says yes deliberately. This is why some people feel stuck while working constantly. Their time is filled, but their direction is diluted. Urgent tasks crowd out meaningful ones, and urgency feels important, but importance and urgency are not the same. The inner ledger favors priority over pressure. When you don't define direction clearly, the environment defines it for you. Notifications decide, requests decide, external demands decide. Over time, identity shifts from builder to responder, and responders rarely feel fulfilled. The solution is not doing more. It's identifying one meaningful movement per Dalton Y. One action tied directly to long-term direction, not many. One completion builds confidence. Alignment builds clarity. Busyness fragments. Progress consolidates. If you feel tired but not satisfied, ask, am I moving or am I reacting? What is one meaningful action I can protect today? Movement without direction is disguised stagnation. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.